Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to make a simple Laravel project using school management system. So here you will have a button manage student. If you click on this, you can get this simple form design. So if you want to add the new student, I'm going to add the new student as John. We have to add the DOB. You have to select over here. You have to select the DOB, set date of birth, which is nothing but the date of birth. We can edit the 99 August. Okay. So here the address, I'm going to type as India. Click register button. Here the newly student has been registered successfully. This is how we have simply you have to register the student, right? So we have a this is a simple form design. We will be able to simply we have designed the student. Now if you want to edit the student, click on the edit button. I want to select John Peter. I am going to edit. Okay, once you get drawn, so if you want to arrange the date, click update. Here what you are updated, all things are updated successfully. Now if you want to delete this record, so you have to click on the delete button. The selected record has been deleted. The simple system. So I have another thing is a manage. So I click on this manage button. So you can manage the student details. So here we have a student named John Peter, the record title and description. You can add a record title. So I'm going to say record. You just have a record. You will be able to add the selected date. I am going to add today date. So sometime dot description. Click add button. The record has been added successfully. The action don't require. Okay, so we have a action edit and delete button. You have to do it here. Only here you will be able to manage the records. Okay, simply we have to manage the record details of the students. The simple way we have to do it the system. So here the system we have had more functionality. So here the school management system, that is the John as a user, it's a DOB. If you want to click manage, the student has been see there all the records of marks and all the things they will be able to check here if you click on the manage student. Okay, this is how we have make this project. Okay, this project I am going to do it in my upcoming tutorials. I already my one project is running, which is a hotel management system. Today I am going to release another video of hotel management system. I want to do this both project parallelly. Keep in watch it. This all the projects are very must when you are become a software developer. Okay, this is a very must projects. Okay, thank you for watching.